We're back up here at the Homestead trying to get the shed closed in. Welcome to another episode of the Golden Spirit Homestead. Good morning, everybody. So it's going to be a short video. As you can see behind me, this is the back of the shed. So kind of got it closed in and got the roof started on it. So I'm going to show you what we did. I didn't really video step by step. It was just a whole lot has been going on. I'll tell you about that later. But I was able to get it, all the sidings on. I got a couple other little things to do this morning. Got the roof on. I just still gotta add the underlay and the shingles and the drip railing on that. Try to get that done, or I'll say I'm gonna see how far I can get within the next 3 to 4 hours, and then wherever I'm at, that's where it's going to be for this trip. All right, let's take a look. right, so we're knocking it out. I got one side kind of closed in. My wife is my roofer. She's knocking out the roof. And we're getting this whole shed kind of knocked out. So take a look. right, so my wife got the roof done. She's on her last row. Looks excellent. Tell you what, single fellas out there, if you out there, you make sure you get you a wife that's a superwoman.
Follow instructions.
She did this whole roof by herself.
Because you showed me what to do.
All I did was just tell you, hey, this is how they say to do it, and she did it. Look at that. She can go into business for herself. I'm pretty proud of her. Like, really. This is really looks good. She did the underlaying, the drip railing, getting it done. Love you, honey.
Love you, baby.
All right, guys. We got what we wanted to do done. We got it all enclosed and weatherized. Let's take a look. All righty, so my 8x8 shed. As you can see, we got it all enclosed. I still got to come back and do little cosmetic things to pretty it up a little bit. But for the most part, we got it done. Got it all enclosed. For our first project, man, it really turned out really well. So, trying to get you guys good angles. I was able to get the door done. Still need to kind of beautify it a little bit, but I got 2 more of those hanger door hinges. So I'll probably add a 3rd one just to give it a cool kind of look. But I'm gonna leave that as a vent, but what I'm gonna end up doing the next time I come up here, I'm gonna drill holes and put kind of like chicken coop wire behind it so no birds or nothing to get in, but it'll allow it to vent. And my cool door handle, it locks it. So these are really cool. Got that off Amazon. Door opens. So I was able to get that. And here's the inside. Put that little pallet there so I don't have such a big step. But you can see I started already putting stuff in here. It didn't take long, but sealed up pretty well. Even I'm gonna shut the door and then you'll see how much light comes in. If you look, not too much. Now that light right there, it's coming from when I put that, I don't know if you can see it, that little piece, but I got some spray foam that I'm gonna be spraying around this stuff right here. I'm gonna be spraying and sealing it up. But for the most part, the main thing, the sealing, we will not get any leaks when it rains. So, a little 8x8 shed. I'm pretty happy with it. And I gotta show you the main thing, and I'm so proud of my wife, man. These are my tanks. I don't know if I ever showed you these, but these are the tanks that I got that I'm gonna do all my rainwater harvesting. So got those up here, got my barrels done, got that, some line, thanks to my big brother Greg, who was my brother's best friend. He got that for me. All right, so not too bad. This is my wood pile that's left over. I had some beams left over because if you guys remember, I was gonna do a gable roof and not a lean-to roof. And I'm glad that I went with the lean-to roof. It made the styling look really well, really good. All right, let's see if I can get you up here to see my wife's work, right? Great job. She really did a good job. She did all that herself. All right, guys. That's it for the shed. The next few things that I got to do for this is paint, like I said, and still got some little bit of trim pieces just to, like I said, to beautify it. But we'll get that done, in the next, I don't know, I'm sure I'll probably get up here before the end of November again, or sometime in December. We're thinking about coming up and just, take one of our trees and trim it up and have Christmas here. We don't know yet. Depends on what my family is. It's always kind of hard, when one of the family members are missing. It kind of takes you out of the holiday spirit a little bit. But I'm gonna continue to lean on God and say my prayers, and He'll take care of me. All right, guys. All right, so that's gonna do it for this episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. Again, short. This month has been really, really rough on myself and my family. On November 1st, I lost my big brother. And he loved everything that I did up here on my property. So everything that I do, all my bills, I'm gonna dedicate to my brother. I love you, big bro, and I'll see you on the other side. Rest in heaven, Billy Earl Jordan. All right, guys, that's going to do it for us today. Everybody be blessed and love one another. Until the next time, bye-bye.